And we're going.
Oh my gosh, y'all! It's hailing outside right now.
Look at this.
It looks like...
What is going on? Look at this. I don't know what's going on right now.
Look at this. It looks like snow.
It does. It
Covering
does.
the whole thing. Welcome to Irish weather.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh my gosh. It is sunny over there, and it's hailing over here. I don't understand.
I don't know what to do.
I don't understand. I'm so glad we're inside.
Me too.
It looks like it's...
What the hell is going on? I opened my window and I was like, it was tilting my remote like,
Oh no, it's everywhere. It looks
ridiculous.
Like it's snowing. We're taking a video of it right
Yeah.
now. That's she's from Australia. She's our other roommate.
Yep.
Do you know who washed that pan in the sink? That was me.
Oh my gosh. We feel so bad
Yeah,
then.
thank you so much. Oh.
Yeah, I'm making soup right now.
Yummy.
Okay, this is going.
Okay, it's not hailing as much anymore. Alright, well, it's still going. But oh my god, it's so weird.
It's funny that she said, "What the hell?" Get it? Okay, I'm just gonna say.
What the hell?
The hell. Yeah. So
we went to the Crown last night. We might as well talk a little bit, I guess. We went to the Crown last night.
Yep.
Lots of fun.
Oldest pub in Belfast.
Yep. And then we went to Lavery's.
Yep.
Lavery's. It's another pub. I feel like this is really close to my face.
It is.
Okay.
And my hair's straight. Look at that. Look at that.
Straight. So gorgeous. She looks like a lion. Okay, it's done hailing now. But yeah, so that's our update for now.
Yep. Okay.
And today we have to do homework. Okay, goodbye guys.